beside Staffa now. It's probably as calm as you'll ever see it. And then this first big cave is McKinnon's Cave, and at 220 foot, that's the second biggest cave on Staffa, and that's named after Abbot John McKinnon, and his effigy lies on the left hand side of the communion table in Iona Abbey. Abbot John McKinnon. One or two fulmars coming onto the cliffs there. You can just see the white up and among the green grass. That's the fulmar. And then the vertical columns are called